I love Ventura because we just have such a beautiful coastline. It's so different than anywhere here in California. And here in Ventura, we have a gorgeous beach for everybody. You can go down and take a walk by yourself on this beautiful beach where no one's at, or you can go surf with some of your best friends out on a perfect point break. I think we have something really unique here. There's just a beautiful stretch of coastline, and it's pristine, it's quiet, and then there's areas where it's busy and it's fun, and it's just a really great community. I love being able to walk into a restaurant and say hi to the owner, seeing families that are here in town, and really having that supportive community where I have people from all over flying in and wanting to come to Ventura and wanting to see what it is about our community that's so unique, and what it is about this coastline that I always tell people how fun it is. It's been really exciting to bring people here and share these beautiful waves with them and teach them about this ocean lifestyle that we live here in Ventura. We have clean water, gorgeous community, a beautiful coastline, and a wave pretty much for everybody, which is why I love it here so much.